Do you have a nautical theme in your home or have a coastal house like this one? Well, then this squid art might be perfect for you. The canvas is fully detailed, really, really lovely styling. The squid is a dark blue that just stands out in your space, and it is built on a very solid wood base. Let me flip that over for you to see. The shrink resistant canvas has been professionally stretched over the solid wood frame that is lightweight and comes with the hook installed, so it is ready to go on your wall and improve your space. This is the blue squid.